So I am at a gold place. The gold guys, and as you can tell, this place is packed. So a lot of people selling gold. Check this out. Yep. This is in the Mall of America. Wow. Cool. But this place is packed. Anyway, yeah. Oxygen place. Cool t-shirts place. Hundreds of stores here. Tap out. Little